So umthunzi goes ayethola uma kaThembelihle ubuya nabo endlini. Mafika endlini, it was a surprise kuThembelihle noNtuthuko. It is a beautiful scene that we see a family coming together. Amahagis ncanca, how are you? I'm good. Mama, you could have told me ukuthi uyabuya bese ngiyokuphekela gcwalisa itafula kube mnandi. Manje buka sengiyahamba ngiyesikolweni. Azange usho kube it was not a surprise. I would have cooked for you. Oh, my baby, don't worry. Go to school. So buya siyibone-ke leyo. Hhayi-ke kube mnandi-ke. Abantu bathi hawu umama kathi hawu Ntuthuko awuhambi awuye emsebenzini-ke wena athi hayi bo sengifuna ubona ubami just 5 minutes nje bangalinde emsebenzini. Awu nkosi yami, that was so heartwarming. Athi-ke noma wakhe athi ehena Ntuthuko manje hlala phansi-ke ngizwe kuthiwa khona indaba ufuna ukungitshela yona. Thi uzwe ngobani? Athi ngizwe ngomthunzi. Hayi bo iza nazo phela. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing what is this? Hayibo, why isithombe Skeem Saam? This is Skeem Saam. What's happening here? We're going to be reviewing Scandal Sanibonani Avuxeni molweni minjhani hi pfukile hi nkogwina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Scandal isu la tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that uNtuthuko decided to sit down and spoke to his mother, and then uma wakhe uyabuza ukuthi kanti kwenze njani. Athi le ntombi yami imithi angazi nokuthi ngisazoyibiza intombi yami because asikhulumisani izinto, they're not going according to what we planned or what I actually thought a relationship is. Athi uma wakhe uyahlanya yini, usho ukuthini mawuthi intombi yakho imithi ngamagama athini, because wena the last time I checked bowungalalani, nakhona masolalana why ungasebenzisanga ijazi lomkhwenyana. Awu athi hayi bengidakiwe. Udakwa kanjani? Because the last time I checked wena awuphuza utshwala. Uyazazi kahle ukuthi mawuphuza utshwala wenza izinto zobulima. Kwenze kanjani? Yo, it was so bad so much so that uNtuthuko start saying kodwa wena nawe walala nomthunzi. Athi lalela maye, ungangideleli wena ngane, mina ngiyasebenza, mina nginomuzi wami, mina nginamabhizinisi ami engiwaranayo, wena unani? Anginalutho ma. So yini lento ishoyo? Anyway, hayi azange kube kuhle neze. Le nkulumo le azange yehle kahle because uma wakhe athi lalela ngicela ungibizele le ntombazana ngifuna ukuyibuza, ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi kuze kanjani ilala namadoda ingafakanga ikhondom, nakhona ilala namadoda mase kwenze njani. Athi why uThembelihle yena ungamkhuze we kwavele kwaya South. On the other hand, speaking of South, hey, Mr. Sindani usenkingeni ngoba unkosikazi wakhe uthunjiwe, and ekuthunjweni kwale nkosikazi yakhe inkinga ukuthi-ke manje babathumbe bawu-2, and then manje kukhala boMosibhamu, kukhala boma-angitshele everything that has happened on that day. I want full details, word to word. What has happened? What have you done? How did you do it? And I want you to tell me the truest truth, because otherwise ngiyonibulala niwu-2. Awu. And futhi unkosikazi akazi lutho ngalo xesha. And then I think now Mr. Sindani is going to come up with a plan, because I don't think he would allow ukuthi umfazi wakhe afele into angayenzanga. But I don't think they will die.